after the tension wrench has been in place, apply about 1 pound of force to the tension wrench so that there's a constant turning pressure on the lock. The next step is to insert the pick feeler all the way in until it touches the back of the lock. Now, starting with the back of the lock, press the pins, the deepest pins, in upwards. As the pins are being pressed in one at a time, you can feel the tension wrench slowly give a little bit. And in this case, I've just got one a second ago. This is the third one, and I've almost got them all. And I'm going to stop at this point now. And one thing that you can do to see how many pins you have pressed to the correct depth is to slowly release the pressure on the tension wrench. And if you listen very carefully, you can hear the pins dropping back into place. 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 pins that had been pressed to the correct depth. This time I'm going to pick all 5 pins, and I'm going to be using a hairpin as the tension wrench and also as the pick feeler. Apply the tension, approximately about 1 pound of force on the tension wrench, and I slide the pick all the way inside the very back and work. Just trying to get to the back. Okay, there it goes. It's all the way back. Then I slowly work forward, pressing each of the pins up as I'm working forward. And I've gotten a few pins right there. And that was it. That easy. Padlock using the keychain lock picker to get the tension wrench inserted into the lock and apply a light turning force. Don't apply too much pressure or the lock will not open. Get your pick inserted into the very back of the lock. Then all you do is use a simple raking motion, pulling out the lock. Just a few rakes back and forth and the lock will open. The keychain lock picker works in opening an office door. First step is to insert the tension wrench into the lock. Like this. This allows the turning force on the lock cylinder. Don't apply too much tension or the pins will freeze. Get your pick